Hello everyone, my name is Ayuade Risma Devi, majoring in Culinary Management Class D. Today, I want to tell you about what I have understand about preparing for a meeting. How to preparing for a meeting? In business, preparation is fundamental for success. Why should not we give as much attention to preparing for meetings as to preparing for other tasks, challenges, or activities? We all have attended meetings that are a permanent feature on our calendars only to wonder why we were there. We felt that we could be effective doing real works. We was probably a result of lack of preparation and forethought by the person conducting the meeting. Preparing for a meeting is not particularly complicated, but it does require some thought. Here are some points of consideration. What is the overall purpose of the meeting? I recommend that you first focus on the specific purpose of the meeting. Who needs to attend? Once the overall purpose has been established, it will be necessary to understand who needs to be involved, who has the required knowledge to make key decisions, which of the stakeholders need to be involved, who is likely to be responsible for actions resulting from the meeting. How long should the meeting be? All too often, meetings are scheduled around specific period of time, the most common of which is an hour. Does the meeting really need to take an hour? What amount of time really be needed to reach the objective? Note, finishing on or before the scheduled end time of the meeting is a great example of how to over-deliver. Where will the meeting take place? Wherever the meeting takes place, it is imperative the meeting room is comfortable and large enough for the group and for the type of activity that is planned. If breakout sessions are required, for example, there should be sufficient space for the breakout groups to work autonomously from one another. Treat the agenda as a guide for your meeting. Have an agenda. An agenda is simply a list of the topics to be covered and the order in which they will be discussed. And then, prepare the participants. Is there information that the participants need to prepare for the meeting? Distributing it for review ahead of time will save time in the meeting. Not only will the attendees have a better idea of exactly what will be discussed. What is business meeting? The purpose of a business meeting is to find out what needs to be. What is business meeting? The purpose of a business meeting is to find out what needs to be achieved to meet your goals, understand the advice that's needed to complete certain projects, address concerns, and provide further updates to your manager. How to prepare yourself for a business meeting? Here are 6 steps to prepare yourself for a business meeting. First, know the type of meeting you are going to attend. Second, understand your objective and meeting attendees. Third, review and study the agenda. 4, know the meeting location. 5, consider potential obstacles. And 6, determine desirable outcomes and actionable follow-up tasks. 1. Know First, know the type of meeting you are going to attend. Here are few examples of different types of meeting you will need to prepare for. Informational, problem solving, and consulting. Second, understand your objectives and meeting attends. Some rules that employees may take on during business meetings includes timekeeper, scribe, expert, facilitator. Third, review and study the agenda. Describe the new company policy, the paid leave, open discussion about problem with paid leave policy. Allow time for suggesting change to the new policy. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage of suggested change and vote on change. And 4. Know the meeting location. Follow up with your manager on the location, time, and additional details of the meeting. There should be a firm date and time for the meeting there, and there may be a friendly reminder emailed by your manager to all attendees as well. 5. Consider potential obstacles. You can also help your manager set standards of conduct ahead of the meeting depending on the role you will play. Therefore, adding meetings items to an agenda and being in constant communication in your manager on conflicts increases the chance that they can be resolved in a timely and efficient fashion. Ask your manager to prepare some resources for attendees so that everyone has access to the same information when the meeting begins, and it can be properly communicated to the staff from management. 6. Determine desirable outcomes and actionable follow-up tasks. Some examples of follow-up items include distribute meeting notes via email when the meeting has concluded, communicate action items to each member via email by the end of the day, formulate a standardized method of managing the team's tasks by the end of the week, file the notes in the internal filing system upon distribution. Checklist for productive and effective meetings. Having effective meetings is not rocket science. This meeting checklist with a few simple meetings rules will help you have effective and efficient meetings. You will save time and money, and participants will leave energized. There are 3 stages around meetings: preparation, the actual meeting, and follow-up. Preparation. Define a clear goal, select participants, decide the form of the meeting, set date and start and end time, distribute agenda and provide supporting material in time, demand that everyone is prepared, design one person to take notes during the meeting, consider rotating this function. Actual meeting. Start on time, repeat the goal of the meeting, provide updates on tasks from previous meetings if applicable, follow to agenda, stay on time, stay focused, place new topics on parking lot for next meeting, take clear brief notes and distinguish between informational notes and decision, assign tasks, assign each task to one person and set due date, and the end of the meeting, summarize all decisions and tasks, schedule follow-up meeting if required and on time. Follow-up, distribute minutes as soon as possible, communicate tasks to task owner, track tasks and follow-up if not completed by due date, file minutes in a place where you can easily find them. Ground rules. Ground rules create a productive environment where environment can contribute in a meaningful way. No cell phone. Demand proper preparation. No side conversation. Attendance means participation. It is okay to have different opinions, but communicate a unified decision outward. Make sure tasks are executed. Okay, that's all about my video. Thank you.